Hello, myself Lakshman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic, that is variable and scope of variable. Variable is used. Variable is a simple container to hold the value in a memory, and this variable is a reference to the memory. The syntax of the any variable is data type, then variable name is equal to the value of variable. The value assigned to the variable from right to left. That means, for example, int a is equal to 10. It means the 10 value is assigned to the variable a, and this variable a is the reference variable to the memory. The reference variable, it is also called as identifier or variable, and this value of a 10 is called as a literal. In Java, there are three types of variable. Number one, instance variable. Number two, local variable. Number three, static variable. Now go through one by one. Instance variable. The instance variable is a instance of a class, or it is also called as stat. Instance variable is belongs to the object. That means the instance variable, the value of every instance can be changed. That's why it is called as the instance variable. Suppose the scope of the instance variable is throughout the class. To declare the instance variable in between, declare the instance variable inside a class but outside a method. For example, one class, and in this class we define a one method. We declare an instance variable outside this method but everywhere in the class. We create a object of this class, suppose class A, and we create an instance variable of this class at every instance. Means we create an object, suppose object 1. The instance variable of this object 1 is different than the creator object 2. If the instance value of the variable a, or suppose a, is different at one object, and this value is different to the another object, now the memory allocate to the instance variable at the object creation. When the object is not created, then we not given memory to the instance variable. That's why it is called as an instance of a class. That means object. We create an object, then this object is stored in a heap memory. When object is created, then memory allocate to the instance variable, then instance variable is also stored in a heap memory. Now go through the second type, that is static variable. To declare the static variable is same as a instance variable. To declare the static variable inside a class but outside a method, then static variable is used for the memory management. Suppose, for example, we create one class, that is employee, and in this employee we have two instance variable, that is name and employee ID and company of the employee. And after that we create an object of a employee class. Then this three variable, that is ID, name and company, initialized by using the constructor. Now we create an object, then we pass value to the constructor id suppose 101, name suppose Lucky, and company suppose Hefshine. But there is only one object. In case of the thousand of object, then we create a thousand of object and thousand of initialize the thousand of times instance variable. This is not a good program. It is reduce the efficiency of the program, because we create thousand of variable object, and in this object we use a company, that is Hepshine, in common to the all the object. To avoid this problem, because we company name is same for all the object, to avoid this, we create an static variable company, and I initialize this value Hepshine or any company. This is referred to the all the object present in a class. It is a class level. Static variable is a class level. That's why we create once static variable. This memory is shared to the all the object present in a class. That's why it is called as a memory management. Now it is a class level. That's why the memory allocated by the static variable at the class memory area. Now we going through the third variable, that is local variable. In case of static and instance variable, we declare both of this variable outside a method but inside a class. But in case of the local variable, we create a local variable within a method but can't declare or define outside a method. Then the scope of the local variable is only within the body if it is declared. Suppose it is declared only within a method, then scope of the local variable is only within the method. Or in case constructor, we declare a variable within a constructor, then the scope of the this variable is only within the constructor body. The scope of the local variable is only within the body if it is declared. The local variable is used only within the body. That's why it is called as a local variable.